Hello. Yes, we welcome you to this new channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We believe this one is going to be a very useful channel to you as you prepare for further studies. Okay, the question says that forces can be categorized into contact forces and non-contact or field forces. Okay, consider each of the cases below and state whether it involves contact or non-contact forces. The first one is here, a boy kicking a ball. Yes. What is that? That one involves contact. The leg of the boy gets in contact with the ball and it exerts the force. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that a stone falling to the ground. Yeah, what is that one? Is it contact or non-contact? The answer here is non-contact. The force which is making the stone come to the ground is gravitational. Actually, it is attraction. The stone is attracting the earth and the earth is attracting the stone. It so happens that the stone is small. That's why you see it moving. Yeah, then we come to this one. A girl sitting on the chair. Yes, what is this one? Is it contact or non-contact? Actually, the between the chair and the girl, it's contact. Yeah, so we come to this one. A truck pulling a trailer. Is it contact or non-contact? It's contact. Yeah, then we come to this one. A magnet pulling a metal. Yes, what kind of force is involved here? Yeah, this one is non-contact. Yeah, then lastly we come to this one. A positive charge repelled by another positive charge. Yeah, what kind of force is involved here? This is non-contact. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that write the name of the force described by each of the statement below. Okay, the first one says the force exerted by objects which are in contact. Yes, what do we call that such force? We call it contact force. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says the force exerted by objects which are not in contact. Yeah, what do we call such force? We call them non-contact forces. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says the force which opposes the movement of an object of a surface. What do we call such force? We call it frictional force. Yeah, then we come to this one. The force the surface exerts on an object with which it is in contact and acts perpendicular to the surface. So like the case we talked about when you sit on the chair. When you sit on the chair, you exert your weight on the chair. So the force which the chair exerts on you on reaction to your weight is what we call normal force. So the force here is normal. It is perpendicular to the surface. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that the force the earth exerts on any object in contact or near the surface. Yeah, what do you call that force? We call it gravitational force or weight. Yeah, then we come to this one. The force in a string attached to an object being pulled by a man. I want us to imagine a situation where you attach a string on an object and you pull it. So the force in the string is called what? We call it tension. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that the force between magnetic north pole of one magnet and south pole of another magnet. Yeah, that force between two magnets. What do we call it? We call it magnetic force. Yeah, then you come to this one. It says that the force between positively charged body and a negatively charged body. Yeah, what kind of force is that between two charged bodies? The force is electrostatic force. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that the force exerted on a mattress when pressed. Yeah, what kind of force is that? We call it compressional force. Yeah, that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to look for it, subscribe, and also recommend it to a friend. Yes, we believe it's going to be very useful to you. Stay in touch. See you next time. Bye bye.